Like me, have you ever wondered if the HRT used in medical research on menopausal women is really based on the ovaries before they became menopausal? To find out the answer, I invite you on a journey with me into the world of menopausal research. My name is Beth Rosenshine, and I want your future to be better than my present. Let's get started. The excitement of large, well-funded clinical trials that say they used ovarian HRT brings expectations of good sleep, good sex, good mood, and a return to the quality of life a woman had before her ovaries became menopausal. But that excitement is extinguished when these clinical trials announce the results. Instead of success, the outcome is no overall improvement in quality of life, no improvement in sex, little to no improvement in sleep architecture, and an increased risk of cancer and blood clots. The disappointment is palpable when a clinical trial that says it used HRT fails. Menopausal women are living with 3 simultaneous hormone deficiencies, which can be debilitating with chronic health issues. Why isn't ovarian HRT working for menopausal women? It's not working because it's not there to work. I know I am making a bold statement, but allow me to explain. HRT stands for hormone replacement therapy. Each of these words is powerful. A hormone's power is in the unique functions it can provide. To restore a hormone is to restore its unique functions. Depending on which functions are being restored, the result could be life-altering. Replacing a hormone is powerful because it means maximum restoration of its unique functions. If replacement is not achieved, there will be few benefits. If a hormone is below replacement levels, then few unique functions will be restored. If a hormone is above replacement levels, then there will be unhealthy side effects. A therapeutic hormone level is powerful because it means that a unique hormone is now present in a level that will impart the maximum unique functions that this hormone is capable of. Achieving HRT or hormone replacement therapy means a person will continue to have the health benefits of this hormone. You can see that the letters HRT represent a powerful way to improve your health. However, according to medical research, ovarian HRT has failed to improve the health and overall quality of life of menopausal women. Since 1942, the majority of medical research on menopausal women has only used one drug. That drug is Premarin, and it received FDA approval in 1942 and has been misrepresented as hormone replacement therapy for decades. There are many ways to prove that Premarin does not provide ovarian HRT. One important way is to see that there are about 100 symptoms of menopause, and Premarin only reliably reverses 1 of 100 symptoms. According to Pfizer's Premarin website, Premarin can only be counted on to reduce hot flashes. That's it. Only being able to barely restore one function of ovarian hormones is nowhere close to being ovarian HRT. It is undeniable that Premarin does not provide ovarian HRT, not even close. Yet every major clinical trial that has used Premarin has misrepresented it as ovarian HRT. Premarin does not recreate premenopausal hormone levels. Clinical trials for menopausal research have failed because they used Premarin. Premarin is not ovarian HRT. Clinical trials for menopausal research failed because they did not use ovarian HRT. I'll talk more about this in my next video to learn more in upcoming videos about unethical menopausal research. Please click here to subscribe.